Hi folks, welcome back. Today we have our lecture 11 of ICT A to Z beginner series. Today lecture you will going to see examples of a fair value gap and inversion fair value gap in NAS Android. So make sure you watch this video till end, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you watch the previous lecture as well. And I already make a playlist on my YouTube channel on the name of ICT A to Z beginner series, and make sure you join our Telegram channel and join this best broker with a zero spread, good leverage, web free, zero commissions. Link in the description. As I explained you on the lecture 8, where I explained the fair value gap and inversion fair value gap, I told you a fair value gap occur when the first candle, second candle and third candle create a huge volume and create an imbalance. The price go one sided, okay, and the first candle and the third candle did not overlap either by wick, either by body, so it's create a fair value gap. Okay, this is the for bearish scenario. For bearish scenario, we expect that price will come to that area and we set our sell limit, or we execute here a sell order. Okay, for a buy condition, price create high, the three consecutive candle, first candle and third candle did not overlap either by wick, either by a body, it will be a bullish fair value gap. Okay, it's also called this for CB in ICT term. This is BC, sell side imbalance, buy side efficiency. This is a buy side imbalance, sell side efficiency. So buy side is imbalance to the sell side efficiency. Okay, so we expect that price will come to that area and we'll put our buy limit or execute the buy order here. Let me show you the example. Here we have a 5-minute time frame. We have this is a London session. We have this New York session. Okay, at New York session, you see price create market structure shift. We have a fair value gap here. Okay, that fair value gap we got an entry. This, okay. Also, if you see the left side, you see a BC that failed, CB that failed, sell side inversion fair value gap, come and downside. So what is the inversion fair value gap? Let me also show you here. Okay, what happen if price was a bullish? Okay, a candle open and close below this fair value gap where the fair value gap was started. Okay, from here, then these bullish fair value gap turn into inversion fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap. It's mean now price when come back to this, we will consider for a short, not for a long. So these all happen when you are know your bias, where the market is going, and the liquidity area where the market will target, the most likely drawn on liquidity. Okay, now here we have taken out the liquidity here, okay, of the London session. We create a market structure shift. We have a fair value gap on the kill zone hour 10 o'clock silver bullet time. We have an inversion fair value gap also. We have a fair value gap also. We can take entry on both sides. Okay, if you are not a fair value gap trader, you also seen here a breaker block. As you see, you can also take entry as a breaker block trader. Okay, so here is a multiple scenario. Every day you will see some sort of things this happen. Okay, here we have take out the liquidity. Okay, London New York open, take out the liquidity of the London low, market structure shift. We have this a minor fair value gap as you see here. Okay, and also we have inversion fair value gap here, minor. Price tap and give us a reaction. If you are not a that trader, you will also find a breaker. Price tap and give us a reaction. So your homework is you have to practice these every day on your chart. Come to your chart every day and you will see these type of things happen every day. Okay, so the thing is bullish. Okay, you see market structure shift with displacement, price come into unkill zone hours like a lunchtime. We don't trade on lunchtime. I told you we don't trade on lunchtime, right? But if we tap after lunchtime, then we can enter and target the opposite side liquidity. Okay, here if you see that price tap on the order block, okay, because that order block tap on this fair value gap, the opening of New York time. So you will see this type of setup. You only need a good management and a practice. Here we have this New York open, take out the liquidity of London, market structure, we have this fair value gap, green candle come, mitigate. Okay, you can take trade on these as well, and you will see inversion fair value gap of green candle. Price just tap on it and give us a reaction. If you are not a fair value gap trader, you have this breaker block. You see, that's all you need, bro. Nothing. Make sure you join our YouTube Telegram channel and the best broker. I will put the link in the description. Until next time, be safe.